to buy one house a month, how many people would you need to contact per month? What list would you hit? Matt, I think I've told you this before. Matt, if I were you, if I were anybody on here, I would go out tomorrow with the freshest list possible of people in foreclosure in my county, and I would knock on every door and see how I could help them. Some of those people are going to want to sell that house. Some of those people have already moved out. And man, when you find the houses that are vacant, they're in foreclosure, that's when you get on your IDI, you skip trace, and you find them and say, hey, I went by your house. It looks like it's vacant. It's in foreclosure. It's going to the auction next month. What's your plan? And I just have a conversation with them. That's what I would do. How many people you need to talk to? I don't know. It depends. We have some months that everybody we talk to, we buy their house. Then we have some months we talk to 20 people and we don't buy any of them.
Right.
Foreclosures, man, don't be afraid. I'm telling you, that student that we met at Rubicon, I mean, she follows Goat Talk. She follows our podcast. She's not actually in either of our coaching programs. And she just got her first sub-2 last week or 2 weeks ago. And she got it from door knocking foreclosures.
Yep.
Most people are afraid to do it. They won't go out and do it. Some of them talk about it. I think some of them might go knock and then run away. I don't think they really do it very effectively, even the ones that call themselves going out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.